Look at the questions we have. Find the Laplace of exponential to the power 3t, and then the unit step function is shifted by 2. Okay? U over t minus 2. So what we can do to this question is question 1. The solution will be Laplace of this u t minus 2. Okay? This will be equal to, first of all, take the unit step function, which will be equal to what? E, what do we have here? Minus will be automatically, what do we have here? 2x. And that will be Laplace of, you now take the function, okay? You have 3t, okay? So anywhere you see t now, look at the t. Look at what you have here. 2 is here. So it's going to be t plus 2. T plus 2. I'll explain again. If you have, for example, you have, like this question we have here, e 3t, unit step function, t minus 2. So this will be equal to, and you want to do the Laplace of this one. So this will be equal to, take the unit step function, and that will generate e minus, what we have here is what? 2x, and then Laplace of exponential is a function, and then it's always f of t. Okay, then your t now is being there is a shifting in t by minus 2. So it's going to be the constant you have there, then the t that you have. You are substituting for anywhere you see t is here, and then plus. You have this one, this 2 there, plus 2. So that's that to that. T will be 3 will be constant, and that t is all you are substituting for, and that will be t, okay, open the bracket, t plus what? Plus 2, okay, and this will now give you exponential minus 2x, and then the Laplace of, you can open this one, that will be e3t times e6. Okay, so this one has no t, is a constant, you can come outside, you can combine it with this one together. Okay, and that will be equal to what? E6 minus 2x. Okay, Laplace of what? Laplace of e3t. Okay, and that will be equal to e6 minus 2x times Laplace of 1 over x minus 3. So that's that on that question. Then the second one, the same thing also. We have Laplace of cos t, okay, u, unit step function, being shifted by what? By pi over 2. So in this case now, what we are going to do is very simple. We start with the unit step function, and that will be what? Exponential. What do you have here? Okay, what do you have is pi over 2 minus pi over 2x. Okay, then after that, that will be Laplace of. The next function you have is cos. Okay, and look for the t there. T is there. Open here. What do you have here? Plus pi over 2. Plus t plus pi over 2. Then, before you can do the Laplace of that, we need to find the value of this t plus pi over 2, which is what? Is a normal trigonometry. That will be cos t, cos pi over 2, then minus sine t, sine pi over 2. Yeah, so this is cancelled out, that's 0. Cos 90 is 0. Then sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. So you just have what? Minus what? Minus sine t. So you now come back, and that will now become, your question now become e minus pi over 2x, Laplace of what? Minus sine t. And then the minus can go outside. The minus can go outside, and that will be equal to what? Minus exponential minus pi over 2x, and then times Laplace of sine. That will be, I think 1 over s squared plus 1. 1 over s squared plus 1. Yeah, look at what we have here. Consider this. This is another fact we should note. Okay, we have consider f of t as this. Okay, so want to see what's going to be the f of t. Okay, g1 as a function of t is from 0 to 0 less or equal to t less a. Okay, then the second one is what? From where this one stop, from here, where this one stop, it starts its own a less t and less b. And lastly, for G3, we have b less or equal to t. So if we want to get the f of t now, f of t will be equal to G1, okay, then plus G2 of t minus G1 of t. Okay, close that. And then the unit step function will be equal to u of the middle, what you have at the middle, that's u of t, okay, minus what? Minus a. And actually, what you have here and what you have here must be the same thing. So minus what? Minus a. Okay, then the third one will be g3 as a function of t minus g2 as functions of t. Close that. Okay, then unit step function will be equal to what? U, this is your t minus, what do you have here? Minus b, which must be the same thing of what you have here. So minus b. So that is the general format for unit step functions of this format of this case. Step one, it will be this one. Whatever you have here, that's what I want to have here. No unit step function for the first one. The second one will be this one minus this one, and then with the unit step function of u of t minus what you have here, which what you have here and what you have here must be the same thing, minus that. Then plus the third one minus the second one. Okay, then you have your unit step function. Okay, u of t minus what you have here, and what you have here, and what you have here. B and b must be the same thing. So that's that one. So this is what we have in this I want to find the Laplace of f of t. Okay, so that will be Laplace of f of t. We need to get the expression for f of t. So it is going to be the first one, t. Okay, then plus the second one, which is what? 2t plus 1, close it, open, minus the first one. Okay, don't forget I said the second one minus the first one. But the first one, when you are writing it, write what you have here, the first one. Then the next case will be this minus this. Then you attach your unit, your t. Your t here is from 0, 0 less t less 3. And here 3 is what? Less t. So it's going to be u of t minus 3. And I've told you whatever you have here must be the same with what you have there, minus t. So that's what we have there. So then I think we should just have the expression for f of t first. Let's have the expression for f of t first. So that's that. F of t is that. Then f of t, we can be equal to t. Let's do the algebra. Yeah, this will be 2t minus t. That will be equal to plus what? Plus t plus 1. Okay, plus 1. And then u of what? T minus 3. Okay. Then after that, we can get the Laplace now. Laplace of f of t now, which is equal to Laplace of t and plus Laplace of what? T plus 1. Okay, t plus 1, u of what? T minus 3. Okay, so let's now solve that, which will be equal to Laplace of this is this one will be 1 over x squared, then plus Laplace of this will be equal to, start from here, that will be plus exponential minus 3x. Okay, then Laplace of what? Laplace of, okay, so your function is t plus 1. Okay, it's t plus 1, and that will be equal to we're having f of t. F of t, what's your unit step? That's a shift. Is this shift by 3? plus what? Plus 3. So this is what you're going to substitute for what? For t plus 1. Okay? So, and that will now become, don't forget the general format is f of t. Okay? But there is a unit step. Okay? There is a shift, it's being shifted by 3. It's minus 3. So it's going to be t plus 3. Okay? So we now have Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t will now become uh, 1 over x squared plus e minus 3x. Then Laplace of your t, anywhere you see t, you put what there? T plus 3. T plus 3 for t, and then plus what? Plus 1. And that will be equal to 1 over x squared plus exponential 3x. Then this will be t plus 4, which means I'm having Laplace of t, which is 1 over x squared, then plus Laplace of 4, which is 4 over what? 4 over x. And that finished that question. Okay, so that's just that. Okay, and I want to also recap for you to know that when you have Laplace of possibly t3, okay, t3 u t minus 4. Okay, if you want to solve this, it's very simple. It's going to be exponential minus 4x and then Laplace of f of t. Okay, but there's a shift here by 4. The unit step function is being shifted. It's being shifted by 4. So that will be what? Plus what? Plus 4. You add what you have here. But it must conform to minus here. It must conform to that. And that will be what? Plus what? Plus 4. Okay? That will be plus 4. Okay? So that's just that. So anyway, so your expression will now become e minus 4x. Anyway, you now see your function t now. This is what you're going to place there. T plus 4. Okay, power what? Power 3. So that's just that on that case. That's that.